I would tell parents to look out for any change in physicality. Are they eating less, sleeping more or less, um, and just not taking care of themselves the way they would a year, 2 years ago? If there's major signs that they've been impacted, maybe they experienced the death of a loved one or a friend, that will impact you in great ways, and it's important to just keep looking out for signs that something has changed, because people can put up a brave front for most of their lives, but there will be signs. So for me, eating was a big one. My parents saw that I had lost 15 pounds, and I'm not even that big, so that was a dramatic change for me. I think one important thing to remember if you're a friend trying to help another friend through their hard times is that you should come from a place of love and understanding of what they're going through. Maybe ask them questions first, like, how do you feel? Do you want to talk about more? Please help me understand what you're feeling so I can help you. And come from that place where it's genuine concern for a person rather than being upset with them about what they're doing or how they're treating other people. I think a good practice is I statements. So I feel worried when you drink until you're sick. I wish I could help you in some way rather than you're drinking and you're throwing up and it's terrible for everyone, because those are two completely different statements with connotations that are completely different. I think that for parents who want to take action with their children, they also need to come from that place of deep love and understanding. And I think parents have this great perspective where we've, watched kids grow up and we know what they've been like, and to see a dramatic change because of mental health problems, then you can make that clear to someone and say, a couple years ago you seemed so happy and you had what seemed like a purpose in life, you knew what you wanted to do, and now I don't see that. Is there something I should be worried about? Do you need help with anything? Can I support you in any way? And using I statements again is just the best thing in the world.